In this video, we're reviewing the Maxfire Speed Loader. I'm Harrison with Harry's Holsters, and today we're checking out the Maxfire Speed Loader. I've shot quite a bit of revolver. I'm a more experienced semi-auto shooter, so this review is going to be pretty typical of somebody that shoots primarily semi-autos, but has a pretty good experience level with revolvers themselves. So the Maxfire is a non-mechanical rubber speed loader, and as you can see, these rounds are staggered. And we're about to shoot this, see how it works, but in my experience in the past, this either works really well or presents a couple of issues with lining the rounds up. So concealed carry wise, I would not suggest using this for concealed carry. This rubber is fairly soft, and after some use, these seem to have a pretty limited lifespan. And when they're in a pocket, it would be very easy for a round or two to pop out. And that's not what you want when you're going to reload your revolver in a defensive scenario. So let's go shoot some times with this, see how it does. So we just finished shooting the Maxfire on the shot timer, and the times were anywhere from right under 7 seconds to just under 14 seconds. That's quite a spread, guys, and I attribute it to the staggering of the rounds like I mentioned earlier. I think you could get really good with this if you practice a lot, but the durability for concealed carry is something that really bothers me, and I wouldn't suggest using this over some of the other options out there on the market. We've got reviews on those listed below. You guys can see my favorite J-frame loader if you want to watch that video. Let me know your favorite speed loaders for small little revolvers below. And remember, guys, take charge and carry with confidence.